Hello people, welcome back. Thank you very much for watching. So this video that you just saw now was shot before I'm making this video, which I'm talking to you right now. As you can see, the food is over here, which is different to normal. And I'm sure you noticed that the video is very different to normal because it was a stop motion video, which, like I think many things in life, I just watched a YouTube video and was like, yeah, how hard can it be? And kind of noted the time it might take in my head, not really thinking it's going to take like up to hours. So I think it took me maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. And if you noticed, I kind of sped through a couple of things. It was fun. It was fun to do. I'm left with quite a nice salad. This particular salad, watermelon, tomato, feta cheese. This one was kind of what I had left in the fridge, as well as all the leaves came from the garden, which super easy to grow. And if you want, send a, or write a message down below in the comments, and I'll do a whole video on growing your own vegetables. Super fun, super easy. But as always, hit subscribe. Thanks for coming, and we'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.